Another problem I've been having is that the windshield washers don't spray. At least the driver's side doesn't spray at all. So I'm going to take the windshield cowl off and take a look at what's underneath. So I checked all the connections under the battery earlier and made sure that the washer fluid is flowing, and so it's good to right here. So I know we're good up to there. So now I need to take this cowl off and see what's going on underneath. We'll start by taking the trim off. Now I got to take the windshield washers or windshield wipers themselves off. So to do so, it's just going to be this little tab right here. You just lift up on that tab and then the wiper pulls right off. Now that those are off, just have to go and unscrew all these little screws all along the way. So there, I got those cowls pulled off. That's 2 pieces. And it's just attached underneath to the windshield washers. So checking my lines, pretty sure I found our problem. Looks like the mice have chewed this connection up, and so we're only getting light spray out of one side, not the other. Seems like it should be a pretty easy fix. I picked up a kit of windshield washer parts. Got myself a new Y, so we can replace this bad one. There's the culprit. There we go, problem solved. Well, I thought I had the windshield washer problem fixed, but when I tested it, it still didn't work. So I'm going to get in and diagnose a little bit more and see what's going on. The washer fluid reservoir is actually way down there under the battery, and I did check all those connections and make sure there were no leaks. This hose here is coming up from the windshield washers, and it comes in and it goes into this port. Now I just disconnected this and tested it, and I am getting full flow out of here. So I know the problem is from here, somewhere on the other side. So I'm going to actually take the time, replace all those hoses, make sure that everything's flowing well. So here's that port coming in from the other side, and I got the hose disconnected from it, and blowing in those I did confirm that it is blocked, so I'm just going to replace the hoses. Meanwhile, this weather stripping is really in bad shape. It's just fully garbage, so I'm going to replace all that weather stripping while I'm at it. So I took these nozzles out and blew them clear. They were totally blocked up and a big chunk of mud came out of it, so I'm going to rinse those real good, pop those back in, and swap my hoses. There we go. Let me give a quick test before hooking everything back up. Looking good. Now I just need to put everything back together. When you're putting these back on, you just have to get the angle right because it determines where they sit. There we go, windshield wipers are back on. Just have to replace the trim under the hood. It's just an easy press fit. There you have it. Just need to take it for a ride and try them out. Alright, got everything put back together and here's the test. Let's see how they do. Looks awesome. Now I'm going to swap out the wiper blades and then we'll be ready for winter. See how streaky these wipers are. Taking a look at my old wipers. These are frame style blades, and the problem with this is you get snow and ice caught up in here and then they don't bend and they don't conform to the windshield. So I prefer something like this. These are single beam blades and they tend to do much better in winter conditions. These are Bosch Icons. I did some research and they've come up with the best reviews lately, so we'll get them installed. Removing the old blades is super simple. You just pull up on this tab here and they slide right off. Installing these new ones is pretty easy as well. You just have to pop this open like so. Then we're going to slide it down over. I think it's hooked on right here. Just got to push that on all the way. Snap it shut. And there you have it.
The new wipers are doing great. This was a huge safety upgrade for the van and will serve me well for the next few months of rain. As usual, you'll find links to the products I used in the description below. And if you found this video interesting or useful at all, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.